that came in a few times this week is, Alan, if I'm applying the RGS or the Humic 12 or the Air 8, if I'm applying these products with a hose-in sprayer, whether it's the Ortho dial-in sprayer, the Chameleon hose-in sprayer, or whatever hose-in sprayer you have, they'll ask if I'm using that, do I still need to water the product in? And the answer is no. If you're applying with a hose-in sprayer, that's going down with enough water that we're going to count that as watering it in. However, just keep in mind that the products do need to get to the soil, so if things are super dry and you want to add a 1/4 inch of water on top of that, that's not a bad idea. Get them down into the soil, join the tuna can club, stick it out there, wait till the irrigation records a 1/4 inch in the tuna can, and you're good to go. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, if you do apply them by hand can, pump sprayer, battery sprayer, for sure we want to get those watered in, 1/4 inch of water minimum. But you got to just have a little bit of common sense there and understand, how are my sprinklers covering? What conditions is my soil in right now? You know, have you been having a lot of rain or is it dry as a bone? And water there, and as always, hope for the best.